Hey guys, it's JD from Ponslow World, and today we are unboxing and reviewing this 3-in-1 charger made by Xvida. Now, if you remember a few videos ago, probably 7 or 8 videos ago, I actually reviewed a charger and a case made by these guys, and I was pretty impressed by them. It seemed to, case-wise, seemed to protect my phone perfectly fine, and the charger seemed to be really good. I was really happy with that. In fact, I'm still using that today, and it's working great. So, they sent me another charger, and it's a 3-in-1, wireless, of course. It could charge 2 phones at once, and 1 Apple Watch. So if you have, like, for example, an iPhone X and a XS Max, I guess you could, you know, charge those on here. One of the chargers is 10 watt, one is 5 watt, and then, of course, the one in the center is for your watch. Not much more to say about it, so let's go ahead and look around the box. Here is the label, and that is literally it on the box. Nothing else. They might come out with a fancier box, you know, later on, but let's go ahead and get into it. So, pull up here, and it's already falling out. And, well, there it is. So, pull that out. There it is. Gotta set that off to the side. Here are, if I get them out, instructions. There you go, you can see there. That's pretty cool. Nothing on the back. And charger, yep, only a charger in here, nothing else. Pull that out, and here it is. Set this off to the side, and let's go ahead and take a look at the power adapter. So it is one of those traditional AC/DC adapters. Doesn't have a brand on it, but it is, oddly enough, USB-C. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get out the charger here. And there it is. Xvida Basics. 10 watt, watch, 5 watt. So that's pretty cool if my camera will focus. It's pretty nice. Build quality seems pretty good right out of, you know, right out of the box. It seems like metal, because like this is really cold. I'm assuming this is metal on top too, so that's pretty nice. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is set this up, and let's see what the charging score is. Alright, so right now my camera is a little bit zoomed in, so sorry for the video quality loss, but just going to have to deal with it. So let's go ahead and see what happens. iPhone XS Max here. Set it on the 5 watt spot first, and charging just like that. Go ahead and let it reset up there. 10 watt. And I don't think it's sitting flat. There we go. It's a little bit off on that side. And it's charging. So let's go ahead and get my Apple Watch here. And just like that, charging right off the bat. So it doesn't seem too specific where you have to put your phone, you know, it just has to be actually on the mat itself. So if I just kind of toss it onto there, yeah, it doesn't, or it shows it's charging, but it didn't give the little thing because I transferred it too quickly. Let's go ahead and see, let it reset, toss it on there, charging just like that. With the watch, it doesn't seem to be too specific either. If it gripped, if I kind of just put it on, yeah, starts charging immediately, and of course it has magnets in it, so it kind of attracts, you know, where the device is actually supposed to go. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is take a charging score on this and see how it performs. Alright, so the charging score is done. And as you can tell, my charging score is 1142, which is actually really good. And I was using the 10 watt, so if you use the 5 watt, I'm sure it'll be a little bit lower. But let's go ahead and look. 99 seconds to charge 1% of your battery. That is really good. That's the highest I've seen. So this charger is very impressive, and or that's what I believe. It's very good. Of course, I can't take a charging score from my watch, so I don't know how much this little coil that's inside of here is pushing out wattage-wise, voltage-wise, whatever. But overall, this thing seems pretty good. Yes, it is a little expensive, but I mean that charging score is really good. So that what leads me to believe that this thing is gonna be really good, and you know, will charge your phone very quickly. So I guess that's it for this video. Or wait, actually, what do I think of it? I think it's pretty gosh darn good. Go pick one of these up if you want it. Link will be in the description. And do I recommend it? Yes, I do recommend it. This thing is pretty gosh dang good. So I hope everybody enjoys this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.